Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft tried something that really backfired, and they actually took it off. On Windows, they are, of course, pushing Copilot everywhere. There's Copilot on our screen in the taskbar. We have Copilot if you're using Edge. They're trying to get us to get the Copilot and other browsers and other things that across Windows. We know that one of the features 24H2 will get is a Copilot AI within the File Explorer, and the reason this will happen is because apparently it will help us get more information and summarize files and text and all sorts of things. In ideas that they have, I do think some could be useful, but the first thing that happened is that on Windows Server 2025, Microsoft tried to push Copilot, and the admins were so mad at this feature that the backlash is so strong that only a month after the latest update has removed Copilot from the platform. And even though Microsoft in its events say that most people that use Copilot will never go back and don't want to turn it off and so on, a poll that was released among Windows users say that almost 60% of users don't use it and wish it wasn't there. So the backlash is pretty strong on Copilot right now. I don't think Microsoft will remove it from the standard Windows installs, but it's obvious that for the first, I always kind of put Copilot the way it is now with Cortana, which was in Windows 10. The majority of people didn't use Cortana, and I think the same majority of people don't use Copilot. So I don't know. This is a complex issue, but Microsoft is really, really on track to push Copilot everywhere within our Windows, Microsoft Office, and so on. What will happen next? Will they eventually say, well, we thought it was a good thing, but it's not? I don't know. This is going to be something we're going to have to check over in the coming months. But for now, what we know is 24H2 is AI to the max, as much AI as possible. That's what Microsoft wants. But it is interesting that they actually pulled the update of Copilot, adding Copilot in Windows Server. They could have just said, well, here's how to, quiet Copilot if you don't want it, but instead they just pulled it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.